for the modified bird dog, you're going to come up onto hands and knees. You want to make sure that your wrists are directly under your shoulders and your hips are over your knees. So you don't want to be out here like this, nothing like that. Really nice tabletop position. And then to get your back in the right position, what you want to do is you want to arch up kind of like in your cat position. So and then you did a cow. So somewhere between this and this, you find your neutral spine, which for me is right there. And notice I'm not looking up, I'm not looking down, I'm just looking straight ahead so that my spine, my cervical spine here is in line with my entire spine. I'm in a good neutral position. Now, what I want to think about is I have a cup of water right on my back, right here. So imagine that, a cup of water, and you don't want to spill it. The entire time you're doing this exercise, you do not want to spill that water. That's your whole goal with this exercise. Just think about that while you're doing the movements. Now the movement is this. You're going to start, raise an arm, lower it. Again, not trying to spill that water. This may look easier than it actually is. This is difficult. Then you're going to bring out a leg. Slide it out, bring it back. Slide it out, bring it back. So again, making sure you're not dipping in your back, you're not rounding, keeping it nice and still. You should feel your core really engaged here. Again, what that looks like, lift, lift, then leg. This is the hard part. Bring it back, slide it out, bring it back. If you find that doing the legs is too challenging, start with the arms. Bring the arm up and down. When you feel good and stable here, you can start adding the legs. That's modified bird dog.